Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of MCDEX, the decentralized platform designed for perpetual contract trading. If you're looking to leverage the power of DeFi to enhance your trading experience, you're in the right place. This video will guide you step by step through the platform's features, tools, and benefits. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To get started with MCDEX, visit the homepage, where you'll notice a sleek interface designed for simplicity and efficiency. At the top of the screen, you'll find navigation tabs for markets, trading, and analytics. These are key areas to explore. The platform offers a variety of perpetual contract pairs, allowing users to take both long and short positions with leverage. Signing up is straightforward. Click on the Connect Wallet button, where you can link your preferred wallet, such as MetaMask. This ensures a secure and decentralized experience. Once connected, navigate to the trading page. Here, you can choose your market, set your leverage, and adjust your collateral to suit your strategy. DEX's interface provides clear indicators for your position size, liquidation price, and potential profits or losses. One standout feature of MCDEX is its automated market maker, AMM, which ensures deep liquidity and minimal slippage. The AMM is fully decentralized and transparent, providing a trustless trading experience. Additionally, MCDEX offers competitive fees, making it an attractive choice for both novice and experienced traders. To execute a trade, select your desired contract, input the order size, and confirm. You can choose between market or limit orders, depending on your strategy. Real-time analytics and charts are available to help you make informed decisions. MCDEX also provides a staking feature, where users can earn rewards by participating in the protocol's governance. This makes it more than just a trading platform. It's a gateway to the broader DeFi ecosystem. Ready to explore MCDEX? Sign up now using the link in the description to claim your bonus. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in decentralized finance.